Uncover the story of major tech tycoons investing $675 million in Figure AI, a humanoid robot startup. In this comprehensive video, key aspects include 1. The investment. A deep dive into the $675 million investment made by tech giants in Figure AI, showcasing the startup's potential in the field of humanoid robotics. 2. Tech tycoons involvement. Highlighting the involvement of tech tycoons like Jeff Bezos, Nvidia Corp, and others in this significant funding round. 3. Figure AI's vision. Exploring Figure AI's ambitious vision to develop human-like robots for various applications, including performing dangerous jobs and alleviating labor shortages. 4. Impact on robotics and AI. Discussing how this investment could revolutionize the robotics industry and accelerate the integration of AI and humanoid robots. 5. Future prospects. Speculating on the future implications of such a substantial investment in the AI robotics sector and what it means for the advancement of technology. Join us to understand the significance of this investment and how it's shaping the future of humanoid robotics and artificial intelligence. Join us in this video as we delve into the dynamic world of AI robotics. Focusing on Figure AI's recent funding achievements, key highlights include 1. OpenAI's investment. OpenAI's $5 million investment in Figure AI, initially considering an acquisition. 2. Funding round success. The $675 million raised by Figure AI, surpassing the initial $500 million target, with Microsoft and OpenAI as lead investors. 3. Valuation and future prospects. The pre-money valuation of roughly $2 billion for Figure AI, and expectations for the formalization of investments. 4. AI robotics industry boom. A look at the bustling AI robotics industry, including other notable projects like Sanctuary AI's humanoid robot Phoenix and Tesla's Optimus. 5. Jeff Bezos and Amazon's involvement. Insights into Jeff Bezos' backing of Agility Robotics and his continued influence in the tech world. Explore how Figure AI and other companies are shaping the future of AI robotics, backed by significant investments from tech giants. Dive into the world of advanced robotics with this video, highlighting the significant investment by tech giants in Figure AI Inc., a company developing human-like robots. Key points include 1. Major investments. Details on the $675 million funding round for Figure AI, with a pre-money valuation of roughly $2 billion. Contributions from Jeff Bezos, Nvidia Corp, OpenAI, Microsoft Corp, and other tech leaders. 2. Figure AI's vision. An overview of Figure AI's goal to create robots that look and move like humans, aiming to perform dangerous jobs and alleviate labor shortages. 3. Investor contributions. Specific investments from Explore Investments LLC, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon Affiliated Fund, Intel Corp, LG Innotek, Samsung, and various venture capital firms. 4. Impact on AI and robotics. The significance of this investment for the AI industry, and the potential applications of cutting-edge technology in real-world tasks. 5. Future prospects. The implications of such high-profile backing for the future of robotics and AI, and the potential advancements in humanoid robotics. Join us to explore how Figure AI Inc. is shaping the future of robotics with the support of tech industry giants. Explore the major investment in a humanoid robot unicorn value at $2 billion, backed by Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, OpenAI, and Microsoft, in this detailed video. Key points include 1. Major backing. The involvement of tech giants like Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, OpenAI, and Microsoft in supporting a humanoid robot startup valued at $2 billion. 2. The Unicorn Company. Insights into the humanoid robot company, its vision, and why it's considered a unicorn in the tech industry. 3. Investment impact. The significance of this investment for the future of humanoid robotics and the potential advancements it could bring. 4. Technology and innovation. How this backing could accelerate the development of advanced humanoid robots and AI integration. 5. Future prospects. The implications of such high-profile backing for the robotics industry, and what it means for the future of technology and AI. Join us to understand the impact of this major investment, and what it signifies for the evolution of robotics and artificial intelligence. Discover the innovative collaboration between OpenAI and robotics startup figure in this comprehensive video. Key highlights include 1. The partnership announcement. Details on the partnership between OpenAI and Figure, aiming to integrate AI systems into humanoid robots. 2. Venture capital funding. Figure's significant funding of $675 million, including investments from Jeff Bezos, Microsoft, Nvidia, and others. 3. Figure's vision. Insights into Figure's ambitious goal to deploy billions of humanoid robots in workplaces and homes worldwide. 4. OpenAI's role. How OpenAI's expertise in AI and large language models like chat will contribute to the development of advanced humanoid robots. 5. Technological integration. The potential use of OpenAI's technologies like GPT, DALL-E, and Sora in building specialized AI models for Figure's humanoid robots. 6. Impact on robotics. The implications of this partnership for the future of robotics and AI, and the challenges in developing effective humanoid robots. Join us to explore how this partnership between OpenAI and Figure is set to revolutionize the field of humanoid robotics and AI integration. Explore the exciting collaboration between humanoid robot maker Figure and OpenAI, supported by tech luminaries like Jeff Bezos, in this detailed video. Key points include 1. Figure's humanoid robots. An introduction to Figure, a company specializing in the development of advanced humanoid robots. 2. Partnership with OpenAI. Details on Figure's collaboration with OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research lab. 3. Backing from tech giants. Insights into the support and backing Figure has received from Jeff Bezos and other major tech industry players. 4. Impact on robotics and AI. The potential implications of this partnership for the future of robotics and AI technology. 5. Future prospects. A look into what this partnership could mean for the advancement of humanoid robotics and AI integration. Join us to understand how this partnership is set to revolutionize the field of robotics and AI, backed by some of the biggest names in technology.